welcome back to our channel, the Noely Squad. Be sure to subscribe. Dread extensions, that's what we're talking about today. This is my son hair before we did his dread extensions. This is the circumference of his head. This was the day before. So what we did first, we went online and ordered his dread extensions. Then we booked his appointment with a stylist to install them. Thank you, Shay. I'll put her contact information below. This is how they look when they arrive. Now he is at his appointment getting his dread extensions installed. You can look up any video how to install them. And this is Mr. Suave after. Look at his eyes. Twisting my baby hair. He fell asleep. So this is what we have after I pull the dryer off. This is his second retwist from home. Hope you enjoyed.